Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'm Muhammad Jahid Hassan. I'm an English language teacher. So right now I'm going to talk about a word. The word is accent. So it's a noun as well as verb, accent. Okay. So the verb form of this word is accents, accented, accenting. And the spelling of the word is A-C-C-E-N-T, accent. So here are some examples using this word. She speaks English with an accent. In today, the accent is on the second syllable. He spoke in a strong Jamaican accent. He's got a strong Scottish accent. The accent comes on the final syllable. The accent is on safety. In all our products, the accent is on quality. So right now I'm going to drill two sentences from here. She speaks English with an accent. 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 সে অ্যাকসেন্টের সাথে ইংরেজি নিয়ে কথা বলে, ভিন্ন উচ্চারণে, যেটাকে বোঝায়। In all our products, the accent is on quality. In all our products, the accent is on quality. In all our products, the accent is on quality. In all our products, the accent is on quality. আমাদের সকল পণ্যের মানের উপর জোর দেওয়া। Thank you very much.